Hello and welcome back to TF Delicacies. We're going to be making pearl millet flatbread, also known as Bajre Roti. In our last video, we showed you how to make lentils and beans dal. This video is related to that. The link can be found in the I button on the top right corner. For this, you will need 2 cups of pearl millet flour, 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. And that's for garnish. First off, take as much water as you need and put it into a skillet. We use 3/4 cup of water. Bring the water to a boil and then add the pearl millet flour and the salt. Mix these ingredients well. Once it's formed kind of like a sticky dough, you can take it off the flame and start kneading it. If you prefer a more loose dough, add less extra flour. Add more dough if you want it to be a little bit more tough. We're ready to make the rotis. Take a small bowl of dough and flatten it out using your hands, as shown here. Roll one side of the dough ball onto sesame seeds. Your pan should now be heated. Put the roti on the tava and spread some water all around it. Only add water on one side of the roti, not both. If your pan is well heated, each side of your roti should bake in about 2 to 4 minutes. To make the roti extra crunchy, you can leave it on the pan for a little while longer. And that's how you make simple and easy Bajre rotis. If you like this video, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.